Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to discuss the term lookup transformation in SSIS. So for term lookup transformation you need to have the lookup table. So I have this lookup table term underscore lookup. Let me just execute this. So in this table I have ID in the word. So term lookup transformation in SSIS is going to determine how frequently these words are occurring in my description. So this is the email description, which I'm going to take, this column I'm going to take, and this term lookup transformation is going to determine how frequently these words are occurring here in this description. Okay, for example, let me just give you an example. Marketing is occurring how many times here? No, 0 times. What about this? Marketing is occurring twice. This marketing and this marketing thrice. 1, 2, 3, 3 times. What about this? 0 times. Okay, so it is not going to consider if it is occurring 0 times. So minimum threshold value is 1. Now, next I'm going to read this particular file. Especially I want to take this email description. So for that I need to use the flat file source. Where is the flat file source? I need to use this flat file source. Okay, then double click, new, browse, CSV, files and email file.csv, columns, these are the columns, advanced preview. I have to increase the length. This is going to be, let's say, 1000 columns. These are the columns. So another important thing is that this email is taken as the data type of this email is string. In order to, for term lookup transformation, you need to have Unicode string data type. For that I need to use the data conversion. So where is data conversion? So I have to use this because term lookup only accepts Unicode. Email, here instead of this data type I will select this Unicode. Let me just select this Unicode, this one, Unicode string. Okay, output alias copy of email, length I'm going to specify 1000. Okay, click OK. This is done and dusted. Next I'm going to use the term lookup transformation. So where is this? This is term lookup transformation. So let me just configure the term lookup transformation here. Double click. Now first I'm going to specify the reference table. So this is going to be my reference table. From this reference table I'm going to extract the words and it is going to search in the email. So here I'm going to specify the term lookup table, which is my reference table. Term lookup. Okay, then term lookup. Okay, fine. So email, let me just select this email and this words. So these words will be searched in the email. Okay, at the end I'm going to have 2 extra columns. One is term and the other one is the count of these words. Okay, for example, this marketing is occurring 3 times, so I'm going to get term value and the count value. Fine, I want this email ID, email subject. No, I don't want this email. I want this copy of email. Then I want to configure this section, ignore failure, advanced, use case sensitive lookup term. Okay, now this is done and dusted. Next I will use the multicast. Enable, execute. Okay, double click. Okay, fine. Let me just edit advanced. I have to increase the size of this column 1000. Now save this. I have to refresh the columns here. Okay, columns, fine. Now execute. Okay, look, I've got two extra columns, term, which is the word, and the frequency. Teradata is occurring 2 times in here in this email.